the Mazak 2019 VTC-200C. It has a 15,000 RPM spindle, 48 position tool changer, and right now we are running at 10,000 RPM. Nice and quiet. $15,000 RPM. Okay, can we bring it down to 5? 5,000 RPM. And a tool chain. Let's pull up the hours on it. It's a smooth G control, remote pulse, chip conveyor, coolant through spindle. It's a 48 position tool changer. And there you have the Mazak VTC-200C. And there is the tool setter and the part setter. Fourth axis table, and 48 position tool changer. Thank you.